today's video, I'm going to explain you the step-by-step procedure how to set up React routing. Currently, I have a very basic application which I have created by Create React app. So React routing demo. When I run this, it's a simple hello world message, which you can see over here. Perfect. Now I'm going to set up the React routing. So to set up React routing, we need to install the dependency, that is npm install React router demo. So since I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install currently. You can see that over here in my dependency, you can see React router DOM. It's there. So I'm not going to install, but you have to install it. Once it is done, what I will do, we'll go to a Bootstrap website, get Bootstrap. I will copy the link. I will come to public index.html. Over here, I have pasted the Bootstrap link. Fine. You can see some font also changed. Then I am going to use the navbar. So let me get a navbar. I will take this navbar. I'm going to create a component for navbar. Let me name it as components navbar.jsx or cc. It's a shortcut to create a class-based component. I'll paste it here. All these class names has to be converted. Class has to be converted to class names. So class name. Perfect. Done. Let me format the code. Control E and format selection. Perfect. Formatted. Let me use this navbar in app.js. Let me remove hello world. Navbar. Perfect, but it is very light color. I want some different color schemes. So let me go to the color schemes of the Bootstrap. I'm okay with this blue color. Now come to the navbar component. I think this is where the color names has to be changed. Perfect. I don't need any disabled this thing. So let me get rid of this. And I don't need any span for the home. Let me get rid of this. I don't need any active clause. Perfect. I have navbar, home, features, pricing. Let me change this navbar text as a router demo. Routing demo. React router. Perfect. Let me create these three components. So one is home.jsx. Next one is features. You can create any components as per your choice. I am just going ahead with the flow. Price.jsx. Then features.jsx. Let me create the components. So this is welcome to features component. Go to price.cc. Welcome to price component home. Sorry. Welcome to home component. Perfect. I have created 3 components. To just make sure it is working, let's go to app.js. Let's try to import all the components. Home, price, features. Perfect. All the components are working, but I don't want to display these components like this. I want to display the component when I click on home. Home component has to be displayed. When I click on features, features has to be displayed. So I need to rearrange like that. Okay. So to do that, first I need to import some dependencies from React router DOM. Let me use the import statement. React router DOM. Perfect. First I need browser router. I'm going to rename this as a router. So actually I'm importing browser router, but I'm going to use as a with a different name that is called router. That is one thing I need. Then a switch statement. Then finally route. These are the 3 dependencies I need. Okay. Now let me router and let me move everything inside this router. Let me have some minute here. Perfect. It's working. No change. Now let navbar be there. I am going to remove the other components. Perfect. Now I am going to add the routes. Route. So the path is backslash when nothing is there. By default, I want to import a component that is home component. Perfect. Let me copy this a couple more times. So when I am price, I want to import price component. When I'm in features, I want to import features component. Perfect. Currently home component is there. Just check when I'm saying pricing, still pricing, still home component is there. What might be the reason? The reason is this backslash is getting match from the price component, from the features component. That is the reason. So what I will do, features, okay, price, price, only price, it is not pricing. Okay, but if you see when I am in price component is coming. When I am in features component is coming, but home component is coming for both the routes. So what I am going to do, what is the reason why the home component is coming? What you told it here for the home component, when backslash is getting match, you want the home component to be imported. This backslash is part of price, this and part of features. So that is the reason in both the cases home component is getting loaded. So can I handle this? I can handle this by adding switch. What this switch is going to do, the moment it matches to the backslash, then it won't look further components, further root configurations. But there is a problem here. I think even though you are in features, still home component is there. If you go to pricing, still you are in home component. The reason this particular backslash is getting matched. So what you need to do, you need to add our attribute called exact. Now if you see, if nothing is there, home price and finally features. Perfect. Now these components are rendering as per the expectation, but this particular click is not going to work. When you click on home, nothing is going to happen. So we need to do some changes over there. Let's go to navbar component. So let me get rid of. Now I need to import some dependencies here. Sorry. From where? React, React router DOM. What I need to be imported is link. So this link I'm going to add for this. Cut link. Okay, there is some problem. You need to add to here. Features. Just get rid of this anchor tag. Okay. What is the class name we need is navlink. Copy this, add it here. Perfect. So just get rid of this anchor tag. We don't need now. So copy this. So when nothing is there, we need to be redirect to home. When you have price, you need price component, features or features component. Perfect. Just format this. So now let me click on home component, price component, feature components. This is how you can set up a router in React. In next video, I will explain you how we can add child routes. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching. All the best. Bye.